Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Kicked off the day, took Queen Bee to get an alignment done. Left front was off. Looks like the toe. Right front was off. Total. Everything's back in the specs now. We are good to go. Now I'm going to drop off some oil line hoses, then swing by the junkyard, get an ECU from somebody, for somebody, then I'm going to contemplate finishing up the Panther's suspension issues today. Action hose. Since the other place closed down and kept my hoses, I'm going to hit this new spot, get these things done. Yeah, man, they beat the crap out of that S80 with their forklifts. Dang. The fresh rows up front. Next row is that manual. So, last call on parts off of that. Let's see what they got up here on this thing. Volvo.
Oh, Volvo?
2000 or newer.
A newer?
Yeah. P2 ECU.
ECU.
Buster Brown.
Man.
What's happening, man? Were you looking for brake pads?
I'm looking for this thing.
The rotor, you gotta take that bracket off to get that rotor out.
This one, I've already pulled it, but...
The bracket, man, the bracket.
This one?
Yep.
I think something is holding it.
Yeah, two 14mm bolts or 13. You get them big monster tools. The ECU should be the same as a 2000. So, let me pull this Boss ECU and get this thing shipped out to the person that needs it. Come on. Up. There we go. Alrighty. We're all done. I have an 18T that I got from my buddy in New York. It has a shaft play, a little bit of in and out play. Very little bit. You can feel it. Little bit back and forth. So I'm going to send this turbo to A1 Turbos in California to get it a rebuilt. Tony there has a couple of decades of experience rebuilding turbos. We're going to ship this thing out right now and get it back rebuilt. And this is the one that I'm planning on putting on Queen Bee here. It is a 18T. Let's go ship it. I pulled the CHRA out of the housing so I know it fit in the box easy. Wrapping it up in the bubble wrap, setting it in a box, put some extra bubbles in it. Turbo to A1 down there at Tony. Man, he's been in the business for in excess of probably 30 years. He's going to change the turbine wheel on that, clean it up, rebuild it, and ship it back. I had a rebuild kit. I just decided I wanted it rebuilt and professionally balanced in one shot. Send it to him, get it back. Don't have to worry about it. I'm hoping and planning on that turbo lasting at least 200,000 miles, even with a tune on it. So sometimes it's just as easy to let the professionals do it. I'll let you guys know when I get it back, and you can contact him with the information that I have provided in the comment section. Got another cake done.
That is beautiful.
I missed a piece of eggshell.
Is that it?
It sank
Are
to
you
the bottom.
serious?
Got another shipment of parts in. The list is getting smaller. Some filters, a engine mount, and one of those seals for the oil thermostat for the oil cooler lines. Ready to roll. Well, this is interesting. The top of the box has a Made in China sticker on it. The mount itself has Phoebe, Germany on it. So, who are they lying to? It's a trickery. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.